Joe, the time has finally arrived. We are giving away a Pure Advance electric scooter.
Yeah.
But not just any Pure Advance electric scooter. This has been signed by McLaren F1 driver, Oscar Piastri.
Final lap of the race, second race of the season. Who appears in our picture in the lead? It's Oscar Piastri, who gets...
Absolutely. You know, and not only is it signed by Oscar Piastri, but it's one of the hottest selling scooters at the moment. It's the Pure Advance Plus. It has the forward-facing stance, and it's one of the slimmest footprints on the market.
It's one of the hottest scooters signed by one of the hottest Formula One drivers in the world. And Joe, we actually had the opportunity to meet Oscar Piastri in person at the F1. That was quite a buzz as well. Yeah. Joe, I know the audience and the entrants are really excited. I'm super excited.
I'm really excited. Let's do this.
Let's get into this draw.
Joy Zulich!
You have won a Pure Advance scooter signed by Oscar Piastri!
Yes!
We're going to give you a call right now to tell you the good news.
Hello,
Hey, is that Joy?
speaking.
Hey Joy, it's Chris here from electrickicks.com.au. You went to the competition to win an Oscar Piastri signed electric scooter.
No.
So now I think you know why I might be calling. I have really good news for you. We've got Joe here as well.
Hi Joy, how are you?
You are the winner of the signed Oscar Piastri Pure Advance electric scooter.
Yes, woo!
My God, I have a grandson who would just be so over the moon about this.
That's awesome, that's great to hear.
I'm the coolest man around.
Yeah, I'm sure you will be.
And Joe, what an exciting competition. Just to hear Joy's reaction was over the moon.
It was great. Her grandson's going to be very happy.
Yes, she's going to be the coolest nana. Guys, if you missed out on this competition, don't worry. We've got so many more exciting prizes to give away in the coming months. Jump on to electrickicks.com.au, follow us on Instagram. That's where you're going to get all the details, and you might be the lucky winner next time.
Yeah, absolutely.